Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a pair of sunglasses. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our sunglasses, we're going to begin right here and we're going to draw a line that's going to go down, it's going to come up and then back across here. So we're going to go over, we're going to come down a little bit, we're going to go up, and then we're just going to come right across here. I want to make this come out just a little longer on each side. Starting here, we're going to make a little line that comes down on each side. Then we're going to make a little line that comes in. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come down, and another one over here. Then we're going to bring this line over, kind of like a curve, and we'll do the same thing here. Bring it over, kind of with a curve. Make this one come over a little bit farther. Next, we're going to bring this line up, and we'll bring this line up. And then we're going to just connect it with a little sad face. Now, starting in here, we're going to make a little line that's going to curve down. We'll do another one over here. We'll draw a line that's going to go down, it's going to go over, and then it's going to come up. We'll do the same thing here. We're going to go down, we're going to go over, and then it's going to come up. Then right here, I'm going to add a little oval shape here, and a little oval shape here. And there you go, there is your drawing of a pair of sunglasses. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you guys enjoyed.